Hello, my fellow subscribers. I am Angelo. So, I am returned for drag racing, but someone requested it like 2 years ago. But it is sad to say that this version right here, only 5 gears left. The previous one was 6. So, they update the car to 5. So, that is why it is sad news. I don't know why. It's supposed to be 6, but for now it's 5. So it was level 1 requested by, well, this one. I will reveal the tune. So if you know. Oh, note, this version that I use right now is version 5.6.1. So the previous one was 6. So this one is latest version of the grazing, alright? So sad. Uh, Take note that this car only works one fourth and one half. Ha? So let's get started. What the? Why I am always getting disqualified even though my turn is fine. So this is my setup and stats. So that's it for now. Like and subscribe. Bye.